After drawing a perpendicular, you know how to draw a perpendicular. Already you have studied in class 9th standard. If you are not studied, it is very simple. See here, this perpendicular you have to draw. And after drawing the perpendicular, again same 1 unit you have to take. Whatever you have taken here, the same 1 unit you have to mark here. And this point I will call it as say C. This is C, this is O, this is A. And this is 1 unit, this is also 1 unit. Now let me join it here. And after joining, at point C, again you have to draw one perpendicular. And how to draw a perpendicular? Take suitable radius with your compass, and then you complete a circle like this. Here again you take suitable radius, again a suitable radius here, then you draw a perpendicular. This radius, and then you join this line. And after joining this line, again take 1 unit. You see 1 unit already we know, here it is. This 1 unit will be taking here. So let me show you where we have taken 1 unit. This is the 1 unit where we have taken. Here we have made a mark. Here again we have taken 1 unit. Here again we have taken 1 unit. Now you join this. You join this point. I will call this point as say D. Now see what has happened here is, see, already in my video 1 I have told you this is 1, this is 1. So this becomes root 2 by using Pythagoras theorem. Again this is 90 degree, children, and this is 1 unit. So in triangle DCO, in right angle triangle DCO, OD square is equal to DC square plus OC square. If I apply Pythagoras theorem, then this DC square, OD square is equal to DC is equal to 1 and OC is equal to root 2. So 1 square is equal to 1, root 2 square is equal to 2. So this OD square will be equal to 3. So OD is equal to root 3. So what I want to tell you, children, is the value of OD is equal to root 3. Now what I will do is, with O as center and D as radius, I will take this arc. This arc I will mark it, and whatever I am marking here, this is equal to, this is root 3, this is also root 3. So what I want to tell you is, this point OE from O to E is equal to root 3. So this is all about how to locate root 3 on the number line in my video number 2. We have seen how to locate root 3. Now let us see how to locate root 5. It is also simple. See, all the problems we can do by the same method. And what is that method? The method is what we did for root 3, what we did for root 2. The same thing we have to take for root 5 also. For root 5, what I do is, I take 2 units. See, unit I have told you already. How to make the units I have told you. For the sake of unit, you can take suitable radius, 1 centimeter, 1 inch, whatever you want. Say this is, I have taken approximately this much as 1 unit. So this is 1 unit and this is second unit. So this in total, say this is O, say this is A, and this is in total equal to 2 units. 2 units. 2 units may be 2 centimeters, 2 inches, or 2 whatever you want. Then from at A, again you have to draw a perpendicular. At A, you have to draw a perpendicular. So this is again a perpendicular. See, suitable radius I have drawn like this. From here I have taken an arc. Another arc I will take like this. Then this perpendicular I am drawing here. So here I will draw the perpendicular. This perpendicular I will draw here. At point A, I have drawn the perpendicular, and here 1 unit I have to take. So this 1 unit is here, not 2 units, remember, 1 unit I have to take. So this is 1 unit. I have marked a 2 unit here, 1 unit I have marked here. 1 unit you have to take. This is, say, point B. This is 1 unit. Remember, this is 2 unit, this is 1 unit, this is again 1 unit. You join this line OB. See what we have proved. See, in right angle triangle OBC, OB square is equal to AB square plus OA square. So already you know AB square OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square, and AB you know it is equal to 1 square, OA is equal to 2 square. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So OB square is equal to 5. So OB is equal to root 5. So that means what? The value of OB is equal to root 5. So this I will take root 5. This is the length of root 5, and this root 5 I will mark it here. So this length root 5, this length root 5, they are equal. You can see here very clearly root 5, this is also equal to root 5. So this value from where? From the point O up to this point, say C, this length is equal to root 5. So children, today's topic is how to locate root 3, how to locate root 2, and how to locate root 5 on number line. So you sit at home, see these videos and do it in your class of problem.